Do you remember when we lived in Italy, they would, in the coffee shops, they would have those like crispy, hard cookie things?
Biscottis.
Biscotti, see. I have a chocolate biscotti recipe.
Really?
Do it?
Yeah.
Let's do it. What was your favorite flavor of biscotti?
Chocolate. Hazelnut.
I like the traditional one. The vanilla with the chocolate frosting.
Mm.
But the unfrosted ones with the nice cappuccino.
Oh yeah, for sure.
We're going to take 2 ounces of Bailey's chocolate. Ooh, did you hear that crack? Brand new bottle.
It's not brand new. I opened that.
Almost brand new bottle. What did you have with this?
Coffee.
Oh, you just poured this direct in coffee?
Sure did.
How was it?
Delicious.
3/4 of an ounce of chocolate bird dog.
Ooh, chocolate on chocolate.
1/4 ounce of amaretto for that almondy goodness.
Wow. David, you are making my night. No, this is how you make my night.
If that doesn't look like chocolate milk, you can put that over ice if you want, but it's plenty cold.
Oh my God, it smells good.
All right, so sweet on sweet on sweet. Cheers.
Heck yeah, cheers. It's just chocolate milk. It's just chocolate milk goodness with a little hint of almond. This is...
This tastes like a chocolate biscotti.
I think this tastes like a cold, hot chocolate.
Mm-mm. I'm picturing the chocolate biscotti that you put in that has the nuts in it and no frosting. It's just chocolate with nuts in it. That's what that tastes like to me.
I don't care what it tastes like. I know it's delicious. Thank you for that.
Ooh, that's really good.